2014, Kuwait oil company KOC awarded SAR a 5-year contract for treatment of oil-based mud drill cuttings. SAR established a facility for treatment of OBM cuttings in North Kuwait, and operation of the facility commenced in July 2015. The objective of the project is to serve KOC initiative to reduce drilling operations' impact on the environment by decreasing the number of new and existing drill cuttings pits. To reach this objective, SAR collect OBM cuttings from 2 different sources: fresh cuttings from the drilling rigs and old cuttings from previous drilling operations. The fresh cuttings are picked up by SAR at the drilling rigs, where the cuttings are loaded in skips for transport on flatbed trucks to the SAR treatment facility. At the plant, the skips are weighed and the fresh cuttings are emptied into the storage pits. Old drill cuttings from previous drilling operations are stored in pits in the desert. SAR remove all drill cuttings and other oil-contaminated material from the pit and transport it to the treatment facility. There, the cuttings are weighed and the old cuttings are emptied into the storage pits. A gantry crane feed the cuttings from the storage pits into the treatment plant. The first step of the treatment process is to remove larger rocks and debris from the cutting. The treatment of the OBM drill cuttings is carried out using a thermomechanical cuttings cleaner. The TCC unit is placed inside a building, where it is protected from the harsh environment. The TCC uses a technology that separates the solids, base oil and water in the drill cuttings. The capacity of the TCC unit is 4 to 6 tons per hour. The treatment process is fully automated and continuously monitored and controlled by the SAR supervisors. Samples are taken before, during and after the treatment process to document the process and ensure that the set treatment criteria are met. Oil content in solids after treatment is average 0.2%. Samples from the bottom of the old pits are also analysed to ensure that oil-contaminated material is removed. The thermal desorption technology allows for full recovery of base oil with a very high quality. The recovered oil can be reused in new oil-based mud or used as fuel for generators, boilers, etc. The SAR facility recover around 1.6 million litres of base oil per year. This makes the facility self-sufficient with energy, and excess oil is sold in Kuwait. Recovered oil and water are stored in large tanks at the treatment facility. Cleaned cuttings are loaded on tipper trucks and transported back to the desert for backfilling. SAR's treatment facility has the capacity to treat up to 30,000 tonnes of OBM cuttings per year. During the first year of operation, 16 old pits were cleaned and 6 rig sites were served by SAR. In 2017, the SAR treatment facility will be expanded to double the treatment capacity.
It was a dream that we are able to treat the fresh cuttings of our drilling operations and to have a zero impact on our environment. Today, thanks to SAR and thanks to KOC management, we achieved that. And not only that, but also we are getting some values out of these wastes. Now, we are treating the fresh cuttings as well as the old pits. So right now we are achieving really great values out of this project.